Hi, I'm Bob LaRosa, and welcome to Fix My Hog. I want to take some time and demonstrate a fantastic product, the Dimple motor oil drain plug. It's magnetic. It's meant to pick up the debris, the particulate matter that is suspended in your engine oil or your primary fluid or your transmission fluid. Harley-Davidson motorcycles and many other motorcycle brands and applications across the industry. In fact, Dimple Products, a veteran-owned, made in the USA product, can be found on a multitude of applications, including the military howitzer weapon. It's used as a magnetic drain plug to catch the suspended particles in the hydraulic fluid system on that particular application. Back to Harley-Davidsons. The Dimple product magnet itself is a much better grade. On a scale of 1 to 25, the rare earth style magnet known as neodymium, or neodymium, you pronounce it as you please, is one of the most powerful magnets commercially available. Dimple Products use these magnets exclusively, and they use a high temperature magnet. The factory style magnet on the factory drain plug typically withstands heat to about 175 degrees. The Dimple Products drain magnet itself has epoxy good, or the magnet itself is good to about 300 degrees. When it comes to testing the magnet, the Dimple product, the motor oil magnet itself, the plug that they make, is about 1,500 times stronger than the factory magnet. And that's easy to demonstrate. You can see the factory magnet will just about lift the 10 millimeter wrench, but it certainly won't even touch the 3/4 inch wrench. I want to do a quick demo, the strength of the Dimple magnet versus the factory magnet. You can see by design, they are identical. The Dimple SS style drain plug has the 15-degree taper, which causes a perfect seal on the thread surface. No Teflon paste or Teflon tape needed. The O-ring never needs to be replaced. The factory magnet, you can just about get that 10 millimeter wrench up. You can see as I even get close with the Dimple magnet how strong it is. It'll actually draw the wrench to it. This is the type of product you want collecting the wear that you create when you're riding your motorcycle. And things are going to wear. They may wear a lot less with proper fluids, but I'll guarantee you they wear as less as possible with the Dimple product, with the Dimple magnetic drain plug. 3/4 inch wrench. Again, you'll see it wants to draw the weight of the wrench. And why is that so important? The stronger the matter, the more ferrous-based particulate matter it can collect. The factory magnet won't even touch the 3/4 inch wrench. And it's not just one. I've got a few factory style magnets that they're acceptable. They are magnetized, But why not use a better product if there's a better product available? When you get into the Dimple product magnet, now this is the direct replacement for the factory style plug. You can see the backs are identical. I myself always prefer to use the hex portion of the drain plug. I don't like the Allen portion in the factory plug. Dimple does have a recess, but again, always use the hex. This particular Dimple plug is of the SS family of Dimple products. It doesn't stand for stainless steel. It stands for Super Seal. It has a 15-degree taper on the machined body, which eliminates the need for any type of sealer or Teflon tape. The O-ring is secondary only on this application, which means it never needs to be replaced. The plug itself does the sealing. Great product. I've done a lot of modifications, a lot of performance work, a lot of customizing to Harley-Davidsons over the years, but every now and again a great product. It'll just catch your eye, and you'll find that there's so many great applications for it. Dimple Products, superior. Do some research, go buy them, put them into proper application. You'll be glad you did.